All right, so let's say I've got a circle with a triangle cut out of it. And we shade everything but the triangle inside the circle. Here's what I know. Here's the center, and this right here is 7 inches long. So what they want to do here is find the shaded area. Well, like we just said, that's a circle with a triangle cut out of it. So the shaded area is going to be the area of the circle minus the area of the triangle, right? Do you believe that? Yeah. It's got to be the area of the circle minus the area of the triangle. So, if I get the area of the circle here, which is, we just talked about it, pi r squared, what have I got there? Pi times, here the radius is 7. So it'd be pi times 49. Now, if you use your pi button, that's fine. If we use 3.14, I'm flexible there. Sometimes it may say which one to use, but so this is going to be approximately 3.14 times 49, isn't it? If we use 3.14 for pi. If you use your pi button, you will get a slightly different value there. So that's 153.86. So that's the area of the circle. Well, let's talk about the area of the triangle then. Well, we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. The easy one there is the height, right? We know it's 7, right? Got a height of 7. What's the base? Well, do you notice the base here is also a radius and a radius? This is 7. The radius is the same all the way around. So wouldn't that be 7 and that be 7? So what's the base?
7.
14, yeah. So the area of the triangle is going to be half of 14 times 7, which is 49. Do that all out. I'll tell you right there. So if I take the 153 area for the circle minus the area of the triangle, which is 49, that's going to give you the shaded area. Is that 186? And that would be square inches. One other type, any problem with that? Another type, don't run out of time, is this. All right, so let's say I've got so this across here is 6 feet. And then this from here to here is 3 feet. Too tall. So on this one, slightly different problem. Here I just want to find the total area. Which, it doesn't, I think the book usually says what it is, but whether you know it or not, just looking at that, what have I got? Parallelogram on top, but on the bottom, it's not quite a circle, it's a semicircle, yeah, half a circle. And so the total area would be the area of that parallelogram plus the area of that semicircle. We would add there in that case. So for the shaded area, you're subtracting. For this total area, you're just adding. Now, parallelogram is really easy because I've got the base and the height, right? Parallelogram is just base times height, so that would be 6 times 3, 18. So the parallelogram area is 18. Now, we just mentioned it, the semicircle, well, it's half of a circle, So the area of a semicircle would be half of the area of a circle, 1/2 pi r squared. Which you have to be careful, again, we're wanting the radius. What's the radius on this circle? Yeah, the diameter is 6, so the radius would be 3. Yeah. So it's half times pi times 3 squared, so it's half times 3.14. Use that times 9. I get 14.13.
14.14 if you round it.
Yeah, if you use your pi button, you may get a slightly different value there. So you got 32.13, and that would be feet squared. Okay. All right.